What you're looking at here is the ceiling frame that for me is the best way to make sure that your ceiling frame is strong and can hold any weight of covering that you have for your ceiling. For me, I always have this kind of framing in all my houses, especially my castle, that instead of using those thin J-pourings that you can fold by your hands, this C-Portland ceiling frame is even so hard to fold. Look, there's a piece of metal here from the C-Portland. Even if I had to step on it, it's hard push to squash it in. So that's how strong a C-Portland is compared to a J-pourings where you can just fold it by your hands. So a J-pourings is not the right thing to do a strong metal framework for your ceiling forms. And this one, even if you use 18 mm or double the 18 mm thickness of a cement board, I don't use plywood. I use cement board for the interiors because plywood will eventually sag. And doing the metal work like this, you can even walk up there if there's any space like I had in my castle, that whenever we want to go on the attic part, which is on the ceiling, Obi can just walk around. So it's not a problem for the weight can carry him because he's a big boy. And now over here, if you look at this, the awning, this is the outside awning of the storeroom. The outside awning will have the same framing, but the difference now with the outside awning, I'll be using metal. The one that John is cutting here is the actual steel plate that we bought the other day. This is the kind of steel plate that they use in making jeepneys. So up here on the awning for outside, I'll be using metal for the fascia, and then underneath, this is what you see, the same concept on the awning here on my castle side. That's what you have to see. That outside Hardiplex or even especially plywood is not recommendable because they will eventually sag. If you want it to last longer or to last forever, you should use metal. I use steel plate because it's a very thick metal that they use for jeepneys. And if you look at on the other side, it's the same concept here on this storeroom. The reason that I haven't covered this one here, because I have not found the supplier. The supplier that you used to buy the steel plate from has closed business. Today, now that I know that Gemini is now carrying steel plate, then I will eventually cover this. But inside the storeroom, inside my house, I only use Hardiplex cement board, not plywood. So outside, it's all metal steel plate, in which I will still have to paint this all up, and then the steel plate, the kind that they use for jeepneys, that's how strong it is, will be the one put in outside.